teach me how to doggy song. Nandiyan po. Ayan. So you guys having fun so far? That's all. One. Go!
That be like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to do it?
Okay. You get it right? Is it easy? Okay, you have to do it first.
Dito kailangan.
Yeah. Let's start with you first. But you should dance with that song more sexier.
Whoa!
Show me sexier later. Okay, play DJ.
They gon' be on you when they see you with the double ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from on the side. He go by brother, and he hit that death like thug. I ain't from Dallas, but I deep town boogie. I show my moves up to everybody trying to do it. I lead the function and all the ladies trying to scoop it. Now you just do you, and not do it. Niggas love to hate, so they try to screw me. You be stuck to me. I just try to prove it. I make the party shine. Niggas try to do me. Be the bubble gun. So I had to chill.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Nice. Nice dance. Kayo parang makulitan lang. You're next, ah. Okay. Are you okay? Excited? Are you excited to dance? Yeah? Woo! Sige. DJ, go. Play. Teach me how to do it.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You don't fucking with my All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my dirty niggas.
Okay.
For them dudes who don't know me.
Stop.
I'm from the west, but I can see.
Next one.
Go Sam! Go
You
Sam!
guys want more?
Yeah! Go Sam!
Hindi ko pa siya tinatawag, oh. Madali na siya sumayaw, oh. Yun naman, hindi ko pa sasabihin yan, sasayaw na yan lahat. Makikita niyo mamaya, oh. Hindi pa rin yung problema sa buwan, ah. Hindi ko pa tinatawag ko pa nga na nagmamadali na siya, eh. Pero nakayuko pa rin. Nakayuko lang siya ganun. Kasi tingnan niya.
Sam! Look at him!
Are you okay? Can you remove your cup?
Go, go Sam! Give me Sam! Throw him! Sam!
Put it back. Okay. Ready? Go!
You had a daddy, yes, I'm up in the club. All these bitches don't need it. You a nigga busy. Let nothing know me. Like, hey, baby,
Lower! Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh. Come on, guys. More, more. More, yeah. Wow, wow. Ooh, yeah, ooh.
guys how they do it.
Stop! Oo. Kanina hindi pa siya sumasar talagang, di ba? Nakaganyan na siya. Pero nung sinabi mo, play! Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo lang ha. Sample lang to. Play, DJ!
It's gonna learn a little too fast. And roll it to the hood. Got the whole crew right.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. O, diba? Iba yung attitude niya eh. Talaga pag sinabi mong stop, parang masama pa yung loob niya na tumigil siya sumayaw. Okay, nice. Yeah. Oo. Eto na, ang pambato. Play, DJ! Teach me how to do it.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my
Lower.
bitches love me. You ain't
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni Kuya. Teach me how to do it. Lower. 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 Nice one. Oh, ngayon guys ngayon natin mapapatingnan, ngayon natin malalaman pala kung sino ang mananalo sa kanilang tatlo. Pero siguro okay lang naman apat pala, sorry. Okay lang naman makipagbeso-beso sa mga nanalo, di ba? Beso-beso
Okay
lang.
lang, okay lang.
Okay. Kung sino ang pinakagusto ninyo, magpapalakpakan kayo at magsisigawan. Okay lang ba yun, guys?
Yes!
Okay. Number 1! 13. Nabilang ko. Ano ba ba? 13. Number 2! Ayusin nyo, ah. Kasi gusto ko ng seryosong buhay. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa siya tinatawa. Nakapwesto na siya kagad. Oh. Number 3! Number 4! Oo, pero mas manalo pa rin to. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nasa besa. Here, sir.
Sam?
Manalo si Kuya. Do you want more? Can we dance one more? Okay. Play, DJ.
Hey, back of the party, I don't really like to boogie. I'm just trying to get in and get a quick red ball. She do it dirty and all them bitches hate it, but I'm about to escape with the bitch in here at home. She got a friend, so it's too mad. I run around even if her legs long. She like you hubby, I think she love, but
Hold position. Dami, dami, dami. Piko, piko. Piko, piko. Oh, sige na. Thank you very much.
Sam, Sam!
change the subject and I do my best.
Yala!
I don't give a fuck, blow trees, get money, we smooth, half in the back of Playboy bunnies, we gon' make them do the dirty in the
Wala na, ayaw na. Sayang, hindi ko man lang na beso-beso. Hindi yata pwede sa kanyo. O sige. Anyways, guys. Ito pala. Meron pala akong sabihin sa inyo. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ay, naku, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi meron pa mga artist na darating ngayong gabi. Naku, ang gagwapo. Hindi nito kakayanin.
Thank you, sir!
Okay, pasahin ko lang sa inyo ito, guys. Habang ako ay